students. I hope you all are safe at home. Myself, Manisha Lassi, your maths teacher for standard 4th. We are continuing with the same chapter number 1, large numbers. So, today we are going to cover remaining 2 topics of this chapter. Number 1, comparing and ordering numbers, and number 2, rounding of the numbers. Let's start with the first topic, comparing and ordering the numbers.
In the previous topic, we saw that Next Channel has organized an All India dance competition. Auditions are being held in different cities across India. Now, there is a huge rush for audition for Next Channel dance competition in Delhi, and there is a long queue of contestants waiting for their turn. Let's have a look in the conversation between the two contestants. Number 1. Hey, I saw you yesterday too. Contestant B. Yes, I was here yesterday also, but I could not get in as they closed the gates after contestant number 84,903, and my number is 84,909. What's your number? Contestant A. My number is 84,912. I hope we don't have to wait for long. Contestant B. I hope so. Yes, the board here show the number of contestants who have auditioned from different cities so far. Contestant A. I can see they had the least number of contestants from Udaipur, and I wonder how many contestants they have from Delhi. In the table, you see that from Jammu there is 62,439 number of contestants, and from Udaipur there is 51,313 number of contestants. From Bangalore 1,30,369 number of contestants, and from Hyderabad 1,23,789 number of contestants. So, the least number of contestants from Udaipur. Let's solve the 2 questions with the help of the table. Which of the cities, Jammu or Hyderabad, witness more number of contestants? So, from Jammu, there is 62,439 number of contestants, and from Hyderabad, 1,23,789 number of contestants. So, Hyderabad witness a large number of contestants, that is 1,23,789, because 62,439 is less than 1,23,789. Let's have a look on the second question. Arrange the 4 cities in descending order of the number of contestants. What is descending order? Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. As you observe, the large number of contestants from Bangalore, that is 1,30,367, and the next greatest number is 1,23,789, that is from Hyderabad. And the next is 62,439 from Jammu, and it ends with the least number, that is 51,313 number of contestants from Udaipur. So, in the first blank, we have to write the greatest number, that is from Bangalore, that is 1,30,367, And in the next blank, we have to write the next greatest number, that is 1,23,789 number of contestant from Hyderabad, and next 62,439 number of contestant from Jammu, and the least number, that is from Udaipur, 51,313. Now, Delhi witnessed a large number of contestants, that is 1,38,278. Which city witnessed more contestants, Bangalore or Delhi? As you observe in the table, the number of contestants from Bangalore, that is 1,30,367, and from Delhi, that is 1,38,278. So here Delhi reported more number of contestants than Bangalore. Hence, Delhi reported more contestants, that is 1,38,278. Because 1,38,278 is more than 1,30,367. Now, the table below shows the number of contestants on the first day of audition from each city. From Srinagar, 138 number of contestants. From Chandigarh, 11,313 number of contestants. And from Hyderabad, 4,579 number of contestants. And from Delhi, 33,079 number of contestants. Now, we have to arrange these number in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. So here the smallest number is 138, that is from Srinagar. So in the first blank we have to write 138, and the next smallest number is 4,579 number of contestants from Hyderabad. So in the second blank we have to write 4,579, and the next smallest number is 11,313 number of contestants from Chandigarh. So in the third blank we have to write 11,313, and the last greatest number is 33,079 number of contestants from Delhi. So in the fourth blank we have to write 33,079. Let's have a look on the important points of this topic. You have to compare large number. Look at the value of each digit in the numbers, beginning with the greatest place. If the digit there are equal, move to the next digit on the right. Compare each place value until you find a difference. Let's move on the next topic, rounding of numbers. Now, Rahul get worried after reading the newspaper, and he called Atul, the host, to ask about the selected contestant. Rahul: Hi, Atul, think there is a misprint in today's newspaper. The headline reads that 300 children are selected for next channel dance competition, when actually 312 contestants had been selected in the audition. Atul: Don't worry, Rahul, that is just an estimate. We have rounded off the number of selected people. After taking to Atul, Rahul realized that 312 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 300. So, while we are rounding off a number, always identify the range. Here, the number 312 lies between the 300 and 400 range. The middle number between 300 and 400 is 350. Since 312 is less than 350, so it will be rounded off to the lower limit, that is 300. If the number is 350 or more, it will be rounded off to the upper limit, that is 400. Rounding off the nearest thousand follow the same procedure as rounding off to the nearest hundreds. For example, consider the number 4651. Here the range is 4000 to 5000 and the middle number between 4000 and 5000 is 4500. Now 4651 is the greatest than 4500. So it will be rounded off to 5000. Let's have a look the some important point of this topic. To round off a number to the nearest 10, look at the digit in the ones place. If it is less than 5, write 0 in the ones place with no change in the digit in the tens place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more, then add 1 to the digit in the tens place and write 0 in the ones place. Next, to round off a number to nearest 100, look at the digit in the tens place. If it is less than 5, write 0 in the tens and ones place with no change in the digit in the 100 place. If digit in the tens place is 5 or more, then add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place and write 0 in the tens place and ones place. Next, to round off a number to the nearest 1000, look at the digit in the 100 place. If it is less than 5, write 0 in the 100 place, tens and ones place with no change in the digit in the 1000 place. If the digit in the 100 place is 5 or more, then add 1 to the digit in the 1000 place and write 0 in the 100, tens and ones place. So here we have completed our chapter 1, large number. In that we covered number beyond 9999, that is 9999. Number 2, comparing and ordering the numbers, and number 3, rounding of the numbers. In the next lecture we will start with the new chapter, that is addition and subtraction. Thank you.